It's all right. Let's go one more time. So, NZD card technical analysis, right all the way from the right here on the monthly chart. So quickly, I'm going to build my monthly bands first quickly so we can understand something that is going on, because there is one thing my mentor taught me which I will never forget. I always try to do exactly what I've been taught by my mentor, because in this business I've seen a lot. It's been 3 years, trying to learn and study technical analysis just the way it is. It has not been easy, but I have to follow the right way, because if I don't, it is going to be really, really, really crucial for me to anticipate exactly what the market is doing, what I'm supposed to be doing. And there are some mistakes that my mentor always said to me. At the level of my knowledge, my education so far, there are some mistakes I'm not supposed to be making. I'm supposed to trade the market accordingly based on what I'm seeing. So, to I think, yeah, since last year, I have been looking at NZD card, and if I'm to be honest with myself, NZD card is a market that I'm supposed to be buying. All right, I'm supposed to be buying this guy for whatsoever reason. I'm supposed to be buying it. There's no reason why I should be selling from a particular level, because I saw it before I started buying. So this is the monthly chart right here, just to share what I think is happening. Because what is happening right now might seems like it is something that is not supposed to be happening, but the truth is, it's what is happening is something many of us, I believe, including my mentor, would have seen, and he will also be trading, you know, in the same direction. So, this buy was a predicted buy. This buy also, for me, it is very early for the market. This is just a new month, and how many days? The month started on Saturday, Sunday, Monday. This Monday is on the 4th here in Brazil, and look at what we have right now. So maybe the market is going to respect itself, okay, and at this junction, because we have a lot of, you know, weak rejection, which is bearish pressure, all of this. So maybe the market is just going to respect itself at this area and push down. But if we are to look at, for me, this market is no longer in a downtrend. If you ask me, right? Previously, the market was in a downtrend, as we can see right here. All right. If this candle should close above this trend line, two things is going to happen. The market can either, okay, pushed up, gravitate to the next trend line before dropping down. That's one. Or two, the market can either push down, then go up later on in the future towards this area before it goes down. Those are the ways I've seen the market operate for the past 3 years of studying this business. 1 year by myself, and the other 2 years with a professional ex institutional trader, someone that knows this business technically in and out and otherwise, right? So those are the things I know that can happen. Now, why is the market buying on the smaller time frame? Even from the money time frame, the market is buying crazily, like crazy. And believe me, I am suffering from this right now. I'm suffering from buying this, selling this market, and market is buying against me. So at this point in time, this is the monthly time frame short term downtrend, right? So we have lower lows here, lower high, and we have lower low here, okay, and this here, and then we have the market did this. So market structure, everything is down, okay, because previously market structure was up and market broke this low. Market structure is down on the monthly time frame right here. Now the short-term trend back in time started from here, okay, lower lows like this, lower high, and this is a low, and this is it is a high here, and this is a low right here. And I'm going to change that to a black line. So the black line is confirming that this market was in a downtrend. All right, that black line. And okay, let's just say back in time the market was like this. Okay, so let's just go in this manner. So this was what we got in the correct way, drawing the trend line in the correct way. Anyway, this is the correct trend line. All right, so the trend was down, but something happened. The market made a higher high right here. So this was a lower high, and the market made a higher high. So what does that mean? So on the money time frame, we are no longer in a downtrend anymore. This downtrend is no longer valid because the market made a higher high here. What does that mean? And I have also learned that we should also make sure that I followed the trend. Okay, so for you guys that are going to be watching this video, this is a market that we should be buying. Yes, long term is a sell based on the monthly band. So the long term view is a sell, right? But the short term view is what? The short term view back in time here should go down, but for any reason the market keeps buying. And I can say that this buy, okay, this buy was a predicted one. This one too is also a predicted buy. Now, as a result of the market made a higher high. So buying the market at all time, starting from when the market started giving us this, bullish pressure on the week, okay, bullish pressure, and bam, that was a buy. And the market came down. So this was like a consolidation, support, resistance, then support again, maintaining this level of support area here. So when this candle closed like this, after this bearish candle, this was a predicted buy. All right. So for no reason, we should be buying this market because of this higher high. All right, that has been formed, prepared here back in time. Until the market decides to change and comes down, makes a new low, we should be buying this market all the way to this area. In my own humble opinion, from what I have learned so far, technically speaking, in this business, and that is where the market works. All right, yeah. So on the monthly time frame, all of these buys to this level was a predicted buy, and we would have been making a lot of people from this market, if you ask me. And if we go about with this guy here, speaking about Fibonacci, if we use the Fibonacci, this is the Fibonacci here. All right. Like the original Fibonacci, so green goes to green right here. So it's going to come like this. All right. So at this point too, let's look at this Fibonacci. So this one is green goes to green 2 right here. It's not blue goes to blue. Let me confirm, so I don't make a mistake. It's very important. I think I have to use the magnet to support me. Yeah. So price, yes. So this one is 0.9518795. So this one is lower, right? It's lower, so it's going to be green goes to green. So it didn't touch the blue, so it's going to be green goes to green. Speaking about the Fibonacci, right? So it's going to be green goes to green from here. So the market went all the way down to this level, did not touch the green, but finally it came down to touch green right here. So it's going to be from green goes to green. So this is the original Fibonacci, right? Yeah, original Fibo. All right, now if we draw the contrarian Fibonacci like this, it is true that the contrarian Fibonacci, we can clearly see that the market has already found the C of this original Fibonacci that is going down, right? Yeah, but there is no rules that says that because the market finds a C, the market cannot go all the way up like this. The market can decide to come all the way up here to this level before it sells all the way down again in the nearest future. All right, so as it is right now, the market made a higher high, even if it's in between the Fibonacci. So this market can still decide to come all the way here, because for me, back in time, we have a resistance here. All right, we have this resistance here, this red line. So when the market went in and out, okay, from here, broke all the way to the downside, it can decide to come and test it before going down back again, and that would be blackjack area to sell the market long term, for long term traders. So for me, the market can still decide to come here. If not coming all the way up here, it can come all the way up here. Okay, after the market break down to the downside, it has attempted to go up, attempt, refused, and now who knows, the market might be coming all the way here before it's going to reject the downside. But believe me, because the market make a higher high here, I strongly believe that the market is going to gravitate. And again, it broke trend line, counter trend line here, or the trend line rather. It's going to gravitate to the next trend line before we are going to see, for me, a significant pullback. And if it does that, that would be a level of resistance, as we can see, all the way. All those areas are resistant level also. So if the market does, as it break down to the downside right here back in time, rejected here, it can still come all the way, make a higher high with the candle weak. Okay, the market can decide to come here, okay, with body candle and start going down, and leave a wick above here, then close body candle somewhere here, close body candle somewhere for a signal, okay, of bearish pressure before the market start going down. But this is me just speculating, analyzing, the possibility of the market going all the way up right here, because the market made a higher high. So if the market is meant to respect the technicals of its own rules, the market is meant to go up to make a next high, in my own humble opinion, before we are going to see, market going down again. And that's the reason why I'm saying all of these buys, for me, are a predicted buy. All these buy, they are a predicted buy. It's huge, it's huge. Yeah, it's really huge. So that's what I'm just seeing anyway. So just trying to share with you guys so that you guys can see the possibility of instead of selling this market, why not just let us buy this market? Yeah, we already make miss. This is the beautiful buy. If you ask me, from all the way here, look at those pips. So once this candle closes here, we would have been buying this market for like how many weeks? All right, from 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5 weeks without stress because of what we saw on the monthly chart. And that would have been a good reason to buy the market, no doubt. So, going short on this market, it's really, it's really crazy, because we can't neglect, for real, we can't neglect the uptrend, the short-term uptrend on the monthly. It's just impossible for us to neglect it. All right. So that's just my humble take on okay, on this guy, NZD card, guys. So if you guys think it makes sense for you guys, maybe you guys could just start thinking of you can just trade accordingly. And if we go all the way to the daily time frame, we'll see that the market structure is now up. So this is the extension leg of the market structure right now on the daily. All right, this is extension leg. So hopefully once the market gets to this level, we should see a retracement before another buy. All right, that is what I'm thinking. A market comes here, reject and sell. Maybe that's going to happen on Friday, because right now the market structure is up. All right, so previously, if I'm to go in the right way, let me see if this is the market structure leg, the first extension leg. Let me take a close look at. So let's see, extension reduce, extension reduce. Okay, so this is the yeah, that's the second extension leg, rather not the first one. So this is extension, this is a retracement, and this is another extension. All right, so hopefully it's going to get here before we're going to see a reversal. So this is extension, retracement, extension on the daily chart. All right, in my own humble opinion. All right, guys, so just want to share what I'm looking at, because I have been selling this market like crazy, and it's really interesting to see that the market I've been selling, I should have been buying all of this market. This is me making a silly mistake that I shouldn't be making at the level that I am in this business. All right, guys, so just a little bit of a share of what I think. And lately I learned, or not lately, for a very long time, but my very first year of learning about the forex market, I learned how to use Ichimoku Cloud. But for 2 years plus now, I decided to keep it, and now I'm using it back. And this would have been a very, very beautiful entry at this level right here. Enter the market at this level. Stop loss goes at the pattern traded, and risking 1 for 2 all the way. This is huge, right? This is huge profit right now. Just using the Ichimoku to enter the trade after the breakout from the Ichimoku, and the baseline and the conversion line already cross each other at this level. Okay, which is the blue line and the black line cross each other, and that's a signal for a buy. Yeah, that's a signal. But then wait for the market to cross to the upside of the Ichimoku cloud, then that's a signal to buy up. and that's a massive profit on the 1 hour chart. You know, yeah, that's a massive profit on the 1 hour chart. Talking about buying the market from here, somewhere here at this breakout here, not this one, this breakout here, and stop loss good at the pattern traded, hopefully somewhere here, and just keep holding and keep holding and keep holding, because the daily time frame said so. Keep holding and keep holding, you know. And this is huge. Once the daily candle closes bullish candle, you add more positions, and you just keep holding and keep holding, and the market just keep going up. And as a matter of fact, the card was weak and it's still weak, so it's still weak. So I'll just be waiting for the market to just go all the way up, and next week hopefully I want to see a reversal. Then I'm going to wait for a buy. If the daily did not make a lower low, okay, if the daily did not make a lower low, I'm not selling. The daily has to make a low before I can sell. For now, I just wait for a pullback, and I'm going to buy the market. Hopefully this makes sense to you guys, okay? And this is where I'm just going to leave it up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it, because I'll be dropping more like this in the upcoming future. And thanks.